Sick and tired of the 9 to 5 in the city life.
Hello. So we are going kayaking today, which is typical whenever we go away. So one of the problems early on we realized, even before we had an RV, was if we were going to go kayaking, we would have had to buy a rack for the top of the roof. Didn't want to do that because it would bog us down and take time. So we bought an inflatable.
It's in there.
We bought an inflatable raft. We happened to buy a Sea Eagle raft. And we're going to show you how you basically can convert this bag and go anywhere you want, on any lake, any ocean, any river, any pond, in a matter of minutes. Easy breakdown, and put it back together. Here's the best way to avoid those pricey canoe rentals. This is what I use to pump it up.
We have at times forgotten our pump. Like when we went to Jonathan Dickerson State Park, we never got on the water because we forgot it. Or no, it broke. And we never did. It was too far. We didn't have our car, and it was too far to ride our bikes to get a pump. But it's not that far from where we live, so if we ever want to go back, we can.
Is that dry?
Dry bag to put my cameras, gear.
You could have an electric one, but just in case there's no electricity or your battery dies, it's safer and probably a little quicker, believe it or not, to use this one.
Because ours blew and broke, and that's why we couldn't get on Jonathan Dickerson, the water, the river there.
It's about 5 spots you have to blow up. This is basically the front. Just gotta get. So there's 3 valves here. This is for the bottom. You just put it in there, and you pump it up. Could stand up, but it's easier just to. And this will inflate the bottom chamber. Now you do the sides. And then just do the other side. One more thing on that end. That's one. And all you do is you one.
Looks good.
Yeah?
See you out there. We
Sounds
just
good.
rented one.
Oh, yeah. See?
They didn't listen.
They didn't listen. Now they had a... I guess if you're only going to do kayaking once, but if you're doing it a lot like we do, then it's worth the investment.
And then the other one, depending on where Melissa likes to sit, Emily, here.
Yep.
We fix them.
So please subscribe, like, and and share this content. And also, do you have a inflatable kayak? And if so, what brand do you use? Leave a comment in the section below the video. Thanks.
Now when you get kind of close to the area, now you put the oars together, and it's very simple. There's holes, a little snappy. You just put it down, you got yourself an oar. There's one. And the other is just skin, a little snappy, put it in, and it slides right in. Like that. And then it'll pop out. 2 oars.
It only took about 20 minutes to do this whole thing.
And back here behind the last seat, there's like a pocket. So we put everything down there, and it's also where I put these for now until we get on the water, and then we put these on.
No, we don't. Well, unless, obviously, if something was to happen, we would grab them.
We have these available if we need them. Are you gonna wear yours?
No.
Same thing. Just put it there, and then we'll figure out what to do with this stuff. So this is the final product. Once we're ready to go.
All set up.
All set up. Ready to go.
So now he's gonna take it apart, take all the air out. It really doesn't take a whole lot of time. A lot easier taking it apart, not that it's hard to put it together. There it goes. That's how easy it is. Now we just get it into the bag and little things.
This is an anchor I use, so it's a weight tied to a rope. I tie it to the kayak if we want to go to an island or something.
We've done it where we've gone to where all the big boats go to go swimming in a sandbar so that it won't float away, so we can relax. Yeah, we did that in like the Miami area.
And then what I do is I put this in the bag, and then I put the seats in the bag.
So it's in the bag. I helped him hold the bag. It's easier to do it that way. I do have to put the orange. I have this bag here that keeps, I've had this for like 10 years. The red card has been really helpful because there's times where it's just too far and we need to be able to walk it. Okay.
And the last piece is just taking these apart again.
And that's it. Now he just pulls it onto the